In level 2, one of the main things that I see people have trouble with is the backup. Quite often they'll cause a lot of discomfort and give little direction, so it's real important that you give direction in your backup so the horse is going to comfort rather than away from a heap of pressure. Okay? Yes, you will have to use your phases sometimes, but the goal is to have the horse go to comfort. So the way you use your phases is really important. Try not to have your lead rope and your string and all going too wishy-washy, because it lacks a little bit of direction. If you're going to use your rope, give it a bit of a sideways flick rather than a big wobble. Okay, so like this. Also, when you're using your stick, I'll come and bring him back in so you guys can see. When you're using your stick, have it go around this way rather than this way. Okay? Because they can't see it as well that way as opposed to this way, like a helicopter. Okay? So when you're using your phases, so this is for our backup. Okay, so I'm going to back major up here to the end of the rope. Lift my body life, use my string or rope if I have to, get him to the end of the rope. As he gets to the end of the rope, there should be less phases than when he started. Okay? If you try and do that little bit more all the time at the end, you're actually causing discomfort at the end of the rope. You want them to be going to comfort, so try not to cause discomfort at the end of the rope. If you want them to go a little bit more, bring them back in and get more impulsion in your send until he goes further out. If they keep going to the same spot all the time, instead of resting at the end, bring them straight back in and send them again until they figure out where the comfort spot is. Okay? Remember, when you bring them in, to soften your body language, bend in the middle and ask them in. And as they're coming in, I'll just get him back a bit so you guys can see. As he's coming in, you release a little bit on each step. So you ask him to step, release, step, release, step, release. And you'll find that works in time with you winding it in anyway. Okay? So hopefully that gives you a few helpful hints to get your horse willingly going backwards.